Alright guys, so this will be the room that I will use for my mining rig. I'm gonna do crypto mining this 2021. So actually this room is, I'm renting this room before, so but I took out the bed, and now this will be my server room, and I have a window type air conditioning, but I'm thinking of replacing that with split type air conditioning to give more efficiency that a split type could do, because window type air conditioning are eats a lot of electricity. So I'm gonna put some glass tables and stainless steel rock, most probably. So this is the first video for my server room, which will I use for the crypto mining. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.